a carrot. I improve eyesight and boost your immunity.
I am a tomato. I make your skin glow and remove toxins from your body.
I am a cabbage. I give your body fiber and keep your digestion healthy. I'm a potato. I give your body long-lasting energy.
I am an onion. I boost immunity and fight infections. We are peas. We give protein and keep your muscles strong.
I am capsicum. I give you vitamin C and protect your body from illness. I am broccoli. I make your bones and body stronger. This time I am spinach. I give you iron and make you strong like a hero. I am a cucumber. I keep your body fully hydrated. I am beetroot. I make your blood healthy and clean. I am sweet corn. I give energy and help with digestion. I am ginger. I heal your body and improve digestion. I am eggplant. I keep your heart healthy and strong.
Your body, heal your body and improve digestion.